When most people think of hospice, they think of the elderly.
And while Hospice Health does help many older adults, many people do not realize that they help hundreds of seriously ill children through a program called the Courageous Kids Pediatric Program.
So, Tawanda, once again, good to talk to you. Tell us about the Courageous Kids program and how it supports families of seriously ill children.
Every year we see hundreds of kids and we help them with their medical needs, their social needs, and their emotional needs. And we not only take care of the kids, but we also take care of the families.
And so there is some level of care for adults as well?
Absolutely. We take care of the parents, we take care of the siblings, and we provide support for the entire family. It's very holistic.
And I have Jessica here with me. I understand your son was a part of the Courageous Kids program.
Yes, Jack was a part of Courageous Kids. Jack was born with a rare infection that caused severe brain damage and a number of medical complications. And that's how we got involved with Courageous Kids.
I told you I'd never heard of this program, and what a wonderful resource. It must have been a blessing to know that this program was there for you and for your family.
Yes, it was. I can't imagine having experienced what we went through without them.
How did it make his final months more comfortable?
Our team through Courageous Kids worked tirelessly for our entire family. Jack's physician would be up late at night researching symptom management to provide the best quality of life for him. His nurses and social worker were there continuously and just ever present for us. Our social worker would have fashion shows with our daughter, so we were able, because they came to our home, we were able to be at home, to be together, and to interact as a family, and to really just be more present with Jack.
That is so powerful. Tawanda, you know this. Donors are the lifeblood of so much of what happens in our community, and they are, a driving force behind this. Why is donor support so important?
Well, as you can only imagine, taking care of a medically fragile child is expensive, and it's a burden on families, a financial burden on many families. We take care of families regardless of their ability to pay. We also fill the gaps of Medicaid and Medicare reimbursements.
Wow.
And Jessica, how did Hospice help you all make the most of the precious time? You talked about that time at home. How did it allow you all to really enjoy time with him and with each other?
I think the most critical thing that Courageous Kids did for us is that they really allowed me to be just Jack's mom, and not also his nurse, not also his social worker. Jack was a snuggler. He was happiest and most comfortable when he was swaddled up and held, and because they were on the phone for us, getting equipment for us, getting medications for us, they just allowed me to be more present, to snuggle, to hold him, and to just really focus on being a mom to my son.
All the important things.
Right.
Yeah, it's hard to ask the closing question when you hear her say, "It allowed me to be a mom." Mm-hmm. But at the end of the day, why should people support this program?
Well, we want you to help moms like Jessica create more moments for their children and with their children. We want you to allow us to be able to take care of families at the most difficult times of their life. So that's why it's important.
And it's worth mentioning that if you would like to support families like Jessica's, all you have to do is go to hospicehealth.org and click donate. Coming up, Hospice helps with more than pain management, how they're helping with emotional and grief counseling.
The things you cherish most in life are not things. They are moments.